everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Now, this month is not the greatest month at for Ibotta, and it's okay because they know that a lot of people are not really looking at that. The more people are looking at redeeming points or money, and more people are looking at Christmas gifts, and Ibotta doesn't really have a lot of, they have a lot of other things, but it was still a pretty good haul. I got everything pretty much for $20, which I've tried to share with you guys as many food deals as I think. A lot of you guys enjoy the food deals more than the personal care products. I mean, I feel like we get personal care products mostly at CVS and at Walgreens, but I like to share with you guys as many food deals as I can. Now, I did pretty good today. I did a lot of Ibotta deals and I did a lot of Fetch Rewards deals. Now, I do have links if you guys want to join. I know with Fetch Rewards right now, if you guys join, this isn't sponsored in this video, but if you guys join, you get 4,000 points. So all you have to do is buy a couple of the items, and you submit your first receipt, and you guys will get 4,000 points. Now, basically, that is equivalent to $4, and you guys can redeem as little as $3. So there is a lot of freebies. I made a video for it yesterday showing you guys the freebies that they got. My Walmart had, I think there were 6 out of the 6 or 7.
Mommy?
What?
Baby Shad's crying.
Okay, so like I was saying, there was like 6 or 7 rebates for Fetch Rewards, so I'm going to show you guys that. But let's just continue, and I can share with you guys the deals that I got. So I ended up getting the Purina Dog Chow. Now, these are 96 cents. You guys want to use 2 buy one, get one free coupons. Now, there is coupons available on coupons.com, but it's $1 off of 3. So you guys could do that. Or you guys could do the buy one, get one where you get like kind of get $2 off. So you guys would buy 4 of them. You would pay $1.92. But then you guys can submit $1 off of 4 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 92 cents or 23 cents a piece. So I feel like I got a ton of dog food, which I don't have a dog, but I think that is a great deal. I have to see if my brother wants these. Otherwise, I'm giving these to the shelter that is down the road. So I wanted to share with you guys that deal. Now, I did the Quaker oatmeal deal. Now, I ended up getting 2 different kinds. So this Benjamin Please, this was $2.44, and this was $2.88. I used $1 off a printable coupon from coupons.com. You would pay $4.32 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a 75-cent rebate for this, and you guys would get a different 75-cent rebate for this, making these $2.82 or $1.41 a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. The next deal we did is the Crunch Massacre Crisp. These are $2.78. Now, we did get some $1 off coupons in our inserts like 2 weeks ago. Now, if you guys can't get the inserts, there was some printable coupons a while ago. I don't know if those are still valid. Otherwise, you can always join the Crunch Master email, and they will send you guys a $1 off coupon. So you guys would pay $1.78 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, and you guys can also submit a $1 rebate with Checkout 51. If you guys don't have Checkout 51, if you guys click the referral link below, you guys, when you join, you can get $5 for free money just by submitting your first receipt. So definitely go ahead and do that. So you get this nice box for 28 cents. Anytime we get coupons, I always feel like you should never pay full price for this, ever. Because between the apps and coupons, you guys can always get it pretty cheap. Okay. So the next deal we got is the gravy, okay? I got Heinz gravy. You could get the cans of it. There's a deal on coupons.com app. I do have a video showing you guys how to use it. But every once in a while they have some freebies. Somebody said they had some free potatoes. I didn't have that in there. I just had the free gravy, and the gravy was up to $1. And then somebody said there was free cranberry sauce or something like that. So whatever you guys want to do, but it does say up to $1. So this was $1.50. I didn't want to get some like any kind of gravy. I wanted to get some decent gravy. So this was $1.50. So through coupons.com app, I will get $1 back that they'll send it to me directly to my PayPal. And then with Fetch Rewards, you guys will get 400 points when you buy this. So Fetch Rewards is awesome right now, you guys. Lots of good items. So technically 400 points is 40 cents. So this technically cost me 10 cents for this jar, which I think is a pretty good deal. Especially, you know, with Thanksgiving and everything, we got some gravy. My family usually makes some gravy, but I got extra gravy just in case we want to make some extra potatoes. So did that. Did the Poise active pads. Now these were $4.18. I used a $2 off coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You guys have paid $2.18 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 18 cents. This also counts towards Fetch Rewards, so you guys will get points for this. So what I was saying about the gravy is you get 400 bonus points for buying this product, but you guys will also get points. I think you'll get like 15 points for buying this, plus the 400 points. This, you guys will probably get like 21 or 22 points for Fetch Rewards on this. So there's that. Raisins, these were $2.72. I thought, I'm going to get some raisins. I like to snack on these, plus my mom and I like to make Cheerio treats, so I thought I'm going to get these so we can make some Cheerio treats, especially when we see each other over the next couple months. But yeah, $2.72. You would pay $5.44 for the both of these. But there is a deal where you guys get $2 off of 2 with Ibotta, so you basically get $1 off. Not the greatest deal, but in case you guys need it, I like to get some good deals on raisins. So these would be $3.44 or $1.72 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but I thought, you know what, I really do need some raisins for when I do some baking or cooking. I also want to make some oatmeal raisin cookies. There we go. There we go. So I went ahead and did that. Now I ended up getting the cup noodles stir fry. My husband said he really liked the Korean beef. He's like, oh, these are really good. But my store only had 2 of them. So I also got the teriyaki beef flavor ones too. Now there was a deal that was awesome for this like 2 weeks ago that I did. And then when it reset, it changed the offer. So you guys might have a better offer than this, but this is what I have. And everybody's account's different. Some of you guys might be saying that I'm missing some deals. I may have already done them and you guys still have them. One thing about Ibotta is those sometimes deals last for months, but I probably already did those deals. So if I'm missing some deals, I probably already did them. But these were 78 cents a piece. You guys want to buy 3 of them, you would pay $2.34. But there is a deal on Ibotta where you guys will get $1 off of 3, making it $1.34 or just 44 cents a piece. It's an okay deal. I'm hearing like a rattling noise behind me. But 44 cents a piece is a pretty good deal. My husband said they're really good. So I'm like, you know what? Go for it. And then from the deal that I did last week to this week, or 2 weeks ago to this week, I got a 50-cent bonus. So these technically cost me like under $1 for all this stuff. So pretty good deal. Somebody is at my door. Okay. So the next deal I did is the Palmolive dish soap. Now this was $1.87. Now you guys should have a 25-cent off coupon. I already used mine up. I only had 2 of them. But you guys would want to use a 25-cent off coupon. You would pay $1.62 for this, but then you guys can submit a 35-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.27. So not the greatest deal, but I mean, like, you know what? If you guys need some soap, definitely go ahead and do it. Like, I really need dish soap right now, so, you know, like to stock up with that. Okay, the next deal I ended up getting is this Kavita kombucha drink. Now this was $2.68. You guys would pay $2.68 for this, but then you guys can submit a 70-cent rebate with Ibotta, and you guys will get your money back for free with Fetch Rewards. So you basically would pay $2.68 if you guys don't use Ibotta, and you would get $2.68 back in points. So you get basically 2,860 points is what you guys would get back with Fetch Rewards, plus that 70-cent rebate with Ibotta. So this ends up becoming a 70-cent moneymaker. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, definitely go ahead. And while I was shopping, I was going to do some Persil, but I don't have the Persil coupons, and the printable ones were for the discs only, not the liquid. So I ended up seeing this deal. Now, some of you guys might have coupons for this. I did not, so I just got this anyways because I think $1.94 is still a pretty good deal. So this was $4.94. You guys would pay $4.94, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.94. Now, if you guys have those coupons, you guys would end up getting this to be absolutely free. So I had to go ahead and share with you guys on that deal because you can't pass up that. So now the next It's really hard to do a video with kids. Like, I've had to stop my video 4 times because Ben won't stop bothering me. I know a lot of you guys like Ben, but he really annoys me when I do my videos, and I just want him to walk away. Just walk away. Okay, so I did a lot of freebies that they have on Fetch Rewards, as you guys saw my video. But one deal I did do is the Ben & Jerry's. Now, this was $4.57. I used 2 $1 off coupons that were on coupons.com. You would pay $7.14 for 2 of these, but then you guys will get 2,000 points when you buy 2 of them from Fetch Rewards. So you guys will get $2 back in points, plus you guys will get, I think, 46 points each because this is a Fetch Rewards product. So this comes out to be just $5.14 or $2.57. But then I said you guys will get those bonus points for buying the product, which is like 46 cents. So these come out to be basically like $2 a piece. So I ended up getting 2 of them. My favorite flavor is half baked, and they didn't have any. They only had one, but it looked like it exploded. And I'm like, I'm not buying that. So I got chocolate chip cookie dough. So we will see how this tastes. But I am excited about that. And then the last 3 items I got are the freebies that they're also having. So I ended up getting Life Water. I don't even know if this is even flavored, but they had different like designs on it. This was $1.48. You guys would pay $1.48 for this, but then you guys would get $1.48 back. So you basically would get 1,480 points back with Fetch Rewards. Plus, you guys, since it's a Fetch Rewards name brand, you guys would also get a couple more points bonus for that. So we get this absolutely free. One thing I do like about the water is they have that little spout. And then I was trying to find some of the chips and stuff that they had, but my store didn't have the correct size of the Stacy's pita chips. And then I couldn't even find those yogurt bites. But I did find these both in the chip aisle. This is the Red Rock Deli Lime and Crept Pepper. Now there's 3 different flavors for this. This is one I thought would be kind of good. This was $2.98, and then I also got the Off the Eaten Path, and these are veggie puffs, and I got sour cream and onion, and they had some like hot ones, and these were also $2.98. So you guys can buy both of these. You would each pay $1 or $2.98 a piece, but then you guys will get $2.98 back with points. So then basically you get 2,980 points back. Plus you guys would probably get about 29 or 30 points back also for buying a Fetch Rewards brand. So you guys will get these to be absolutely free. So go ahead and get your freebies. Now if you guys can't get those freebies right away, the deal doesn't end until like December 17th. So there's no rush. but sometimes you never know if they take them away after so many people get those deals or not. So I'm excited to try these because these will be products. These 3 products, right, the water and these 2 chips, I would have never bought without, you know, getting a deal for them. So yeah. So my total came to $47.39 for everything. I didn't get any bonuses. Like I mentioned on the Facebook group that you guys are friends with me to be on my team. I didn't get any bonuses, and it's weird because I always get bonuses, and that was one reason why I'm like, I'm not going to go shopping. If I'm not going to go get a bonus, then I'm not going to go shopping. I didn't get no weekend warrior or nothing. But I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to go out anyways. And then after I submitted my receipt, a bonus showed up for $5 off 15 rebates. So I'm like, whatever. Ibotta, you suck right now. So, but anyways, $47.39. So I ended up getting $9.05 back with Ibotta. That doesn't seem like it, but I did. I feel like I should have gotten more. I think like my math isn't right, but I got $9.05 back. I ended up finishing level 2. This month I will not finish my levels just because it's like a slow week. It's definitely a slow week. I will get $1 back from Checkout 51, and I actually got that back for the Crunch Master. And I got a 50-cent bonus for buying two different purchases of the cup noodles. And then if I did my math right, I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, but I had to correct my receipt because it didn't give me all the points for the Ben & Jerry's. But if I did my math right, I'll be getting about $14 to $15 back with Fetch Rewards, which is awesome. So my grand total came to $21.84. I got basically 22 items for 99 cents a piece. So I'm not going to say it's a great haul, but I'm pretty excited to get some stuff to try. Get some new things, you know. It's nice to get food, and I love to share with you guys on deals. If you guys enjoyed this haul, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I probably will not do an Ibotta haul next week. If I do, it might be on Wednesday, just because with Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna be totally tired on Friday because I have to work Friday morning. So I probably will not do an Ibotta haul unless I do it Saturday. So we will see. I do have to work Saturday, so I probably don't. Yeah, I don't know, but I may or may not give you guys one. It's just crazy. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.